Hello friends, welcome on this YouTube channel. I'm Professor Saurabh Naik taking a next session on topic tunneling techniques. In this video, you can learn different tunneling techniques. So basically, what is tunnel? Tunnel are dug in types of materials varying from soft clay to hard rock. Tunnels can be used for roadways, railways, and even as a waterways also. In many cities, underground metro rail network work inside a tunnel. Next is the methods of tunnel construction or tunneling techniques. There are some methods of tunnel construction: cut and cover method, bore tunnel method, clay kicking method, shaft method, pipe jacking method, box jacking method, and underwater tunnel method, etc. Let's see one by one. The first one is cut and cover method. Cut and cover method of tunnel construction is generally used to build shallow tunnels. In this method, a trench is cut in the soil and it is covered by some support which can be capable of bearing load on it. The cutting can be done by two methods. One in bottom up method, in which a tunnel excavated under the surface using ground support. Another method is top down method, in which side support walls are constructed first by slurry walling method or continuous board piling. Then roof is located on the top of the walls and excavation is carried out. Finally, base slab is constructed. Most of the underground metro rail stations are constructed using cut and cover method. This is the example of cut and cover method. The next method is bore tunnel method. Bore tunnel method is a modern technology. In this case, tunnel boring machines are used which automatically work and makes the entire tunneling process easier. It is also quicker process and good method to build tunnel in high traffic areas. Tunnels boring machine, that is TBM, are available in different types suitable for different ground conditions. These machines can be used in difficult conditions such as below the water table, etc. A special pressurized compartment is provided for TBM to work in below water table conditions. The workers should not enter the compartment except for repair works. Care should be taken while TBM is in working condition. The only difficulty with this TBM is its heavy weight, so transportation is difficult and costlier. This is the TBM tunnel boring machine. The next method is clay kicking method. This method is used for strong clay conditions. This is an old method and used for small works like sewage pipe installation, etc. In this method, a hole is excavated into the ground and after some depth, tunnel is excavated, which is done by the clay kicker, which lies on a plank at 45-degree angle. An excavation tool is provided under clay kicker foot. The excavated using that tool is collected by other workers. This is well famous because it is a method used by Englishmen to put mines under German Empire during the First World War. So it is the history of clay kicking method. This is the method. A man is in a plank at a 45-degree and putting the excavation tools. The next one is a shaft method. In this method, tunnel is constructed at a greater depth from the ground surface. The shaft is built up to the depth where tunnel is required. Shaft is a permanent structure which is like well with a concrete walls. At required depths, tunnels are excavated using TBMs. Shafts are provided at both inlet and outlet of tunnel. Intermediate shafts are also provided if tunnel is too long. After the construction process, these shafts can also be used for ventilation purpose as well as emergency exit. This is the tunnel shaft or shaft method. Next one is a pipe jacking method. Pipe jacking method is used to construct tunnels under existing structures like roadways, railways, etc. In this method, specially made pipes are driven into underground using hydraulic jacks. Maximum size is 3.2 meter diameter is allowed for tunnels. This is the pipe jacking method. This is a pipe having a maximum diameter is 3.2 meter. 3.2 meter. The next one is a box jacking method. Box jacking method is a similar to pipe jacking, but in this case, instead of pipes, specially made boxes are driven into the soil. Both pipe jacking method and box jacking methods are same. The basic difference is in pipe jacking method we insert pipes, that is a circular member, and in case of box jacking method we insert a box that is a rectangular or square shape. A cutting head is provided at the front side of the box. Excavated matter is collected within the box. Larger size tunnels can be excavated using box jacks up to 20 meters. So this is a box jacking method. The last method of tunnel construction or tunneling techniques is underwater tunnel construction. An underwater tunnel is a structure which is built underwater to make a way through it. If construction of bridge is not possible, then underwater tunnel is a good choice. Underwater tunneling is a costly process but have advantages over bridge or ferry links. Immersed tube or bore tunnels are two most common methods which are used to construct underwater tunnels. This is an underwater tunnel. So this is all about tunnel construction techniques and their details. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.